Hi guys, today we're going to see how to activate the basic Google Home Premium plan for those who have the Google AI Pro plan active, which, just to be clear, is the one you get for free for a year when you buy the Pixel 10 Pro. Let's see right away how to activate it. I'm in the Google One app, as you can see. I had received a notification in Google Home, but I skipped it and now I can't find the starting point anymore. The starting point for this process is the Google One app. Once you are there, look in the Get More from Google section where you will find the various special offers and the different bundles included in our current promotion. It clearly tells us that for a few weeks now, we can easily activate Google Home Premium for free. Let's go into the details. Naturally, there's all the information about the service we're about to activate. We're reminded that this service costs 10 euros per month if purchased separately, so that's another 10 euros worth of free services that Google adds to our Google AI Pro plan. As you can see, we can activate it from here and it will take us to the Google Home app. There is still all the essential information related to the specific plan, the various limitations, direct links to several different sites with further extensive details about the promotion and the list of compatible devices. In short, as always, please make sure to carefully read all the important warnings and visit all the provided links to fully understand and be completely aware of exactly what we're doing here. Let's proceed straight to the activation. First, open up the Google Home app. It then asks us to proceed in order to activate this new subscription. We press Setup, choose the home, and I'll select the first home, which is the main one. Now we can simply go ahead and click the next button. A new email has probably arrived, as you heard. Here is what we are setting up today with our Google Home Premium plan. Right here, Google shows us all the benefits we get with this specific plan and how we can easily set it all up. Specifically, in this section, we can configure the security camera, for which we will keep a full 30-day video history saved for free on Google's servers. We now need to proceed to finalize and make this setting. No, it sent us back to the activation screen. Perfect. Let's reopen Google Home. Okay, it looks like the procedure doesn't start anymore, so that clearly means we've successfully activated it. Let's take a look and see if there's any more detailed information hidden somewhere within the actual settings of the house. Right here it is in the subscription section. As you can clearly see, there's Google Home Premium. Let's go inside and see if it actually lets us do anything, or perhaps even make some changes. Okay, here is where we can proceed with the settings for this feature. At the beginning, it tells us when the plan will expire, which will basically end together with my Google AI Pro plan 1 year after activation. It provides us with a link to buy a Nest device in order to use the advanced features of the Google Home Premium plan. Let's see if, here it is right here in this menu, we can finally set up the extended video history. Let's carefully read through all of the provided information and see if we can successfully set it up with these specific Chinese cameras that I have here. We've accepted, and as you can see, it tells us that we don't have a compatible camera. The feature is only available for Nest Cam. There's a link here to go and buy them. We say that we don't want to buy them. Let's take a closer look where there is the identification of familiar faces within the family. Here too, we don't have an Nest Cam. Okay, basically we're done. As always, I say goodbye. If my video was helpful, I remind you to subscribe to the channel, leave me a like, and maybe recommend me to a friend. Antonio Camerino, your go-to Google product expert.